Greetings and hello. My name is Bradley Matera, and I've been captivated by technology since childhood. Growing up in the 1990s, both my parents held full time jobs, leaving me with computers as my primary source of companionship. This fostered a deep rooted connection with technology that has persisted throughout my life. While I consider myself an enthusiast at this stage, I aspire to become a full stack developer. My understanding is that full stack developers encompass the roles of engineer, architect, and everything in between, embodying the jack of all trades mentality while mastering the nuances of each respective field. My fascination with technology intensified at the age of 13 when I stumbled upon the world of free media through LimeWire. This exposure propelled me to explore diverse online platforms, including MIRC, Microsoft Internet Chat Relay, where I organized professional Counter-Strike matches long before the advent of professional gaming. I also actively participated in tournaments like ESEA and CIVO, leading teams and competing alongside fellow passionate gamers. While these experiences preceded my current family obligations, I am now a father to four wonderful children. They instilled in me a profound appreciation for the transformative power of technology and its ability to connect individuals across vast distances. Initially, my interest in computers stemmed from a desire to immerse myself in the digital realm, whether through captivating movies, enthralling music, or the inspiring creative content I discovered on platforms like eBaum's World or YouTube. Today, this passion has evolved into a driving force to champion freedom and challenge the perceived limitations imposed by artificial intelligence, AI. I firmly believe that asserting ownership of creative content as copyrighted material is logically flawed. As humans, we engage in an inherent process of learning, absorbing information, and then reinterpreting it through various mediums, a phenomenon known as human inspiration. I wholeheartedly reject the notion that AI will usurp human creativity or pose a threat to artists. Instead, I view AI as a powerful tool that can enhance human capabilities and broaden our creative horizons. My favorite pastime is gaming. Besides being a great way to unwind and de-stress, gaming also provides a platform for me to connect with my four kids and share in our mutual enjoyment. Gaming has been an integral part of my life since childhood, and it continues to bring me joy and fulfillment. Over the past 2 years, I've made a conscious effort to prioritize my mental health and the well-being of my family. Gaming, in moderation, has served as a healthy outlet for me to relax and recharge, allowing me to approach my responsibilities with renewed energy and focus. I believe that striking a balance between my personal interests and my familial commitments is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. I initially chose Amazon because I'm familiar with its platform and the wide range of products and services it offers. However, I encountered limitations while attempting to edit the website's content directly. I then moved on to Google, which provided me with the flexibility to make desired changes. Finally, I opted to showcase CIVO, an online platform dedicated to competitive gaming, as it aligns with my personal interests and aligns with the topic of gaming that I discussed earlier. To identify the technologies used on CIVO, I employed Wapalizer, a tool that reveals the underlying technologies powering a website. Here's a summary of the key technologies I discovered. CDN, Content Delivery Network, a geographically distributed network of servers that deliver content such as web pages, images, and videos to users with minimal latency. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, a cloud storage service that provides secure, scalable, and inexpensive object storage for a wide range of data, including websites, applications, media files, and backups. PayIS, Platform as a Service, a cloud computing platform that provides a development and deployment environment for building, running, and scaling web applications without the need to manage underlying infrastructure. AWS, Amazon Web Services, a comprehensive cloud computing platform that offers a wide range of services, including compute, storage, networking, database, analytics, and machine learning. Now, let's explore the HTML and CSS code of CIVO. Using the Inspect Element tool in my browser, I can easily change the text of any element on the page. For instance, I can modify the text of the CIVO logo to Hello World. Additionally, I can alter the visual appearance of elements by changing their color or background color properties. As I embark on my journey to become a full-stack developer, I've identified 3 languages or technologies that I find particularly intriguing. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, the foundation of web development, providing the structure and content of websites. Mastering HTML is essential for creating well-structured and informative websites. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, plays a crucial role in enhancing the visual appeal and user experience of websites. By mastering CSS, I can create visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces. JavaScript enables developers to create interactive and engaging websites. By mastering JavaScript, I can add interactivity and enhance the overall user experience. I'm fascinated by the interplay between these languages and their ability to bring websites to life. As I delve deeper into each language, I'm excited to explore their unique capabilities and discover how they collaborate to create functional and interactive web experiences.